Welcome back, artists. Now that you have completed your pinch pot, the next step is to work on your cone. You're going to want to use at least 2 chunks of clay, and your first job is to make it into a nice round ball. Ideally, you're going to want to get rid of all these wrinkles. So you start it just like you do a pinch pot. I like to roll it in my hands. Some people like to use it on the table. Both work. And now that I have a nice round shape with my clay, the next step is I like to keep it in my palm, and then I'm going to grab the ball right where my hand stops, and I'm going to just sort of pinch and rotate to make sort of an indentation. Okay, you can see how it's indented. And then I'm going to work my way up. Okay, so you can kind of already see how this is turning more into a cone. And then if I want to make it taller and thinner, I just keep continuing to pinch and rotate to make the cone shape. We do want these to be able to sit on the table without rocking, so you're going to want to probably tap it on the table so that it's flat. And also remember that this next shape that's going to be part of the cone is some of it's going to be covered up with the pinch pot. So you want to make sure that it is longer than you think it should be, and that the base is going to be wider than the pinch pot. So now that I think I have a good size for my cone, I want to test it by putting my pinch pot on top. Right now it looks a lot like a mushroom, but once I get these basic shapes created, then I can start adding the details that make it look more like my design and less like a cone with a pinch pot on top. But that is how you make the basic shapes. And now it is time to start adding the details. You would start on the cone first because it's more solid. And then once you have the details on your cone, then you would add them to the pinch pot.